Hello to all the beautiful people and welcome to my channel. So guys, please note down the required things to make this beautiful clay pot candle. And most importantly, don't forget to check the link given in the description box of the video in which I have shown how to create beautiful different style design on these beautiful clay pots so that we can make beautiful candles out of it. Period, I published the same video in Hindi language and now this video is in English language for my viewers and subscribers who lives out of India and really don't understand Hindi. So this is for those people, and please guys forgive me if you find me making blunder in speaking English because I am not so good in speaking this language. So now leaving all this topic behind, let's focus on making of these candles. And now guys, as you can see that these are the beautifully designed clay pots out of which we are going to make a beautiful candle. So guys, the first step is to fix this wick into these terracotta clay pots, and now I'll show you how to do this. Just pour a very little amount of wax into these terracotta clay pots, say about 1 teaspoon of the quantity. Here the temperature of the pouring wax is around 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. After pouring the wax into these clay pots, keep these clay pots aside so that the wax will get semi-set, and once the wax will get semi-set, we will fix the wick into it and I'll show you how to do that. These are two clay pots which I have prepared earlier, and now I'll show you the next process what we are going to do after fixing our wick into these clay pots. Pour the melted wax carefully into these clay pots, and the temperature of the melted wax is around 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. Now keeping these clay pots aside, let's focus on the other clay pots in which we have poured a very little amount of wax. And now as you can see that the wax is semi-set, and now it's the right time to fix your wick into these clay pots. And after this, it is very important to secure your wick by using a wooden stick. And now as you can see that the wick is completely fixed into these clay pots, and now it's time to head on to the next process, that is pouring of the melted wax into it. And now guys, as you can see that the wick is completely fixed into these clay pots, and now it's time to pour the melted wax into these clay pots, create beautiful candles out of it. And guys, it is very important to know that if you will also find that an ugly froth is coming at the top layer of your wax, just using a fork or a wooden stick, remove this ugly looking froth from your candle because we don't want this. And after doing this process, now let's move on to these matkis or these clay pots, and now let's start pouring our melted wax into these clay pots. So pour the wax carefully, and now as you can see that the froth is coming more and more, the quantity of the froth is increasing. So the reason behind it is that the temperature of the melted wax, the pouring wax, is now less than 70 degrees centigrade. But don't worry about these froths guys, you can use your hair dryer also. Just blow some hot air onto it when your wax is semi-set, and you will remove this froth very easily out of your candles. And now see how beautiful our clay pot candles are looking right now. And guys, this candle looks amazingly beautiful, and this is the best season, this is the best festive season to create these beautiful clay pots for gifting purpose, for your home interior, or anything you want. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to watch my other videos too. Love you. Bye bye.